Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this really pretty Aquarius nail set. It was super easy and simple to do, and I feel like this is a very popular design, so let's get into it. So I'm starting off by using one coat of number 19, I believe that was, and I am just putting it on the ring finger, middle finger, and thumb, and then I'm going to be going in with this milky white color, and I'm going to be creating like a marble, and I do go in with some opaque white as well. This is just going to be a simple marble nail, so kind of just like marble the colors together as best as you can. You can also place like the milky white and the plain white like side by side onto the table, and then pick it up with a little brush and it'll swirl together so perfectly. You can also apply a blooming gel first and then apply it, but I didn't want the colors to be so spread out. I did have an inspo picture that my customer wanted replicated, and I was replicating that type of marble that they had. So yeah, I'm doing that, and I already did it on the other hand. I actually wasn't gonna film this set, but I just decided to end up doing it. Her birthday I think was actually like either on Valentine's Day or before, like a few days before or something. She didn't tell me exactly, but I know for sure she wanted this because it's like Valentine's Day but still like birthday. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I am going to be applying another coat of number 19. You guys know this is one of my favorite nudes, and this is from Nails Bling Supply. And I was like so out, like this bottle was literally empty, so I was like trying to like scoop out whatever I could, and it was literally giving me so much trouble for no reason. So this is pretty random, but I just wanted to tell you guys that I honestly want to build more of a community with you guys and like get more personal. So you guys, I'm going to tell you the biggest secret ever. If you guys are like in the middle or like watching this video, you guys are going to know now. But if you love watching my videos or if you guys support me, I actually made a vlog channel, you guys. Oh my god. Okay, so like I haven't posted anything yet, and I'm not going to tell you guys the name yet because I am like not filming anything for it yet, but I'm actually going to film something probably like at the end of this month. I'm going to Disneyland, so I'm really excited to like film it, and I'm just going to do a little mini vlog for you guys, and I'm going to put it up on that channel, and when it's there I will let you guys know. But I just want to build like more of a community with you guys and talk to you guys more and show you guys content like with my dog and just a little bit more about me so that you guys can get to know me on a more personal level besides just like my work life, which is like nails or like my hobby, you know. And yeah, I'm like so excited to start that. I just wanted to tell you guys that. But yeah, I'm just like so excited about that for some reason. I've always wanted to do that. Now I'm going to be doing is applying one coat of Rise Nails number 112. You guys, this is my all-time favorite nude ever, but I think a bottle was like between $15 to $17, and that's just way too much for me to spend on one bottle of gel polish, especially when it's so sheer. It's always sold out and you need multiple coats, and I would go through bottles like crazy, but it is still one of my faves. I will still purchase it every once in a while, probably just for like my own nails or something, because it is one of my favorite colors on myself especially. So yeah, I just wanted to say that because I'm just like, wow, it's really good. But I didn't even know I had some left. I haven't repurchased this in months, probably almost like a year now. I haven't repurchased a new bottle, and I still had some. So anyways, I just went ahead and applied a little bit of that just to add more pink. And now I'm going to be grabbing these little red hearts. These are like so easy to get. You guys can find these anywhere. Most nail supply stores will have them. Amazon has them for sure. AliExpress has them. They're just like little heart confettis for nails. That's what you can kind of like search up. But we're going to be doing another encapsulated nail. This is going to be on the ring finger. I'm going to be applying a thin layer of base coat gel. This is just so that the little hearts can stick. So I'm going to show you guys again how I do this method. So I just apply the hearts kind of like in an ombre pattern. You can do it however you want. You can even put them scattered across the whole nail. The thing is, like, the main thing you want to focus on is don't try to put so many hearts on the edges of the nails because they're going to stick up, you know what I mean, and you're going to not be able to encapsulate them fully. It's going to be more difficult. So try to keep all the hearts in the center, play around with the pattern however you want. I kind of want it to look supernatural, like supernatural, like if it was like a heart glitter acrylic or something, or like a heart acrylic powder, and have the hearts scattered in random directions. So I don't place them all facing the same way. I place them totally random, and that's what I feel gives it the like really nice effect that I feel like you get when you're using it with acrylic. So yeah, that's what I was doing there, and I'm just scattering them, trying to make it look as best as I can. I want it to look super seamless. You guys can see I go back and forth quite a bit, and I'm doing this this, and then once I'm done and I'm happy with the final design, then I go ahead and cure it. So you're doing this on top of the wet base coat gel. So I just wanted to talk to you guys. Valentine's Day was yesterday, and I was so happy because my boyfriend surprised me with some stuff, and it was just like so cute because it was like flowers and balloons, and he like made me a little basket. You guys, like, he actually tried to do all these things for me, and it meant so much to me. Like, this is so random, but like I always like talking to you guys about stuff, and yeah, it just meant a lot to me. But I was like telling him, I was like, you do realize you could do stuff like this like anytime though, right? Like, low-key giving hints. Like, you guys know we have to give these men hints because they don't get it. Like, they just don't get it. And he's like a really simple guy. Like, he doesn't really like stuff, and he doesn't like ever want anything. But I did make him a little basket as well with some of his favorite stuff. So yeah, I don't know if you guys did anything, but that's pretty much all we did. And we just like stayed home and stuff, and it was really cute. But I just wanted to say happy Valentine's Day to you guys because I love you guys so much, and you guys really do mean a lot to me. And then next thing I'm going to be doing is, once it's all cured, you're going to go back in with the base coat gel and basically encapsulate them. You want to make sure that for this part, you're using a thick base coat. Honestly, a rubber base coat would work best. I totally forgot to use that, but I feel like I used it on the other hand. I don't think so. I think I used it on a different encapsulated set that I did. I think the last one I filmed actually. But I totally forgot I had my rubber base coat gel because that one's really nice and thick and it works perfect for this type of design. You want something thick enough to where all the little glitters are going to lay inside of it and just like be super seamless and smooth on top, because then you can like go back in with the top coat afterwards. But yeah, I just wanted to say that you're going to want to encapsulate with the thick base coat gel, because personally I just don't like going in with two coats of top coat. You know what I mean? Like top coat on top of top coat. For some reason, I feel like it'll just peel. So I always prefer to do a base coat to encapsulate, and then top coat, like the final layer will be just like the regular top coat on top. I hope that makes sense, and I hope I'm not talking too much, but yeah, that's what I usually do. And so now I'm going to be showing you guys the finished result. I slowed this part down and just made it regular so you guys could really see. But I tried my best to kind of ombre it. You guys can see it looks so cute. And I did leave a little tiny space. You guys can see right there at the tip. I always keep in mind that I file at the very end. And I didn't want the confettis to be right there at the very edge, because one, it can stick up and make the top coat peel. And two, I just wanted to make sure the edge was completely sealed before I file it. You know what I mean? So I just always make sure to leave a little tiny gap. You guys can see it right there. And now we are going to be drawing the word Aquarius on the pointer finger, and I'm just going to be freehanding this. The original inspo actually had an Aquarius nail charm, like those gold nail charms that are, sorry you guys, I had a hiccup, that are super long, but that they like, it would have been way too long for this length of nail. She likes a long length, not an extra long. So I went ahead and just did the long length, and I told her I can hand paint it for her. She wanted it in like a gold color, and she was totally fine with that, and I think it came out really cute. I honestly would have loved to do it like on a different background. Like, instead of doing it on the marble like it was in the photo, I would have loved to do it on the plain nude, because I feel like you would have been able to see the word better. But it's, I don't think she minds. And personally, I just don't like I don't know, you guys, I honestly sometimes, like, I know I'm the person that's doing the nails, and I feel like people would like my input, but I don't like saying stuff like, I don't like to say like, oh, personally I think you should do this instead though, or like, you know, things like that. Like, I just wouldn't do it, because I feel like everybody has their own style or their own taste of what they want, and I don't want to make somebody feel bad for what they like. You know what I mean? Like, if they like a certain thing, I don't want to go and say something when my opinion wasn't asked. But if someone asks me like what I think, then of course I will 1000% tell them what I think. But yeah, I just wanted to say that. But I would have loved to do it on a different background because you would have been able to see it a little bit better. But I still think it came out cute, so I'm just freehanding this the best I can in my normal handwriting, but I'm trying to do it kind of like in cursive. So yeah, I still like how it came out, and I still think it's really pretty. Oh, she actually sent me her finished like a video of them on, and I'm totally gonna insert it here. I don't know if it was a video or a picture, but I'll put it on here for you guys at the end. So stay tuned to the end if you guys want to see how it looks on her. They turned out so freaking cute, and they like fit her so good and everything. I like love it. But yeah. I'm changing the subject again and going back to what I was talking about in the beginning of the video. Like, I want to make a vlog channel, or like I made one and I want to start doing it, like using it. I actually got this idea from somebody. I think her name is Unbearables here on YouTube. I love her videos so much, and she did like this the cutest giveaway idea ever. I am such a big animal lover, dog lover for sure, and she like did a giveaway, but instead of like a normal giveaway, like giving away something like that people want, she like gave the option to get like a puppy little package for your dog as a giveaway, and I feel like that's the smartest thing ever, and I really want to do that. So starting my new vlog channel, if I get to like 1,000 subscribers or something small, something simple, I am definitely going to be doing a little doggy giveaway or cat giveaway, no matter what animal you have. So let me know if you guys would be interested in that, because if you guys are gonna watch, I'm totally down to do that for you guys. One of my favorite things is shopping for my dog. It is all I do. It's literally, I spend all my money on her, and yeah, I would love to do that for somebody else. So just let me know if you guys would like that. And I know this has nothing to do with nails, but I just wanted to tell you guys because I had to tell you guys, of course. Next, I'm going to be grabbing my white gel polish. You guys know this is the one I've been using recently from Amazon. I always leave it in the description box for you guys, and I'm going to be doing some white French tips on all of the other nails. It's pretty self-explanatory. I just honestly just freehand the French tip. Sometimes they come out perfect, sometimes they don't. I try my absolute best though to get it as like perfect as I can, but you guys, sometimes they give me a lot of trouble, like a lot. So yeah, I'm just trying my best to get it as good as I can here. There's just some days where I'm having a lot of trouble and some days where I don't have any trouble, so it just really sucks. Like I have good and bad days. Next, I'm just going to be grabbing some gold foil. The original picture did have some gold foil as well, so I'm just going ahead and applying it right onto the cured marble nail. The whatever sticky layer is left on it will actually adhere this gold foil very well, so I'm going ahead and applying it wherever I want it, and then go back over with a dry brush and really press it in there so that it sticks to the nail, so that it doesn't go all over your top coat. I didn't do this like that well the first time, and you guys, it got all inside of my top coat and it really freaking sucked. So yeah, just make sure that you really do it, you know, good to where it's like all the way laying flat and there's no excess like foil anywhere, because this foil I have, for some reason, it's really messy. It's not like the normal kind. This kind is like really messy. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and pressing it in as best as I can, and then I'm going to be top coating all of the nails after, except the heart one. That one's already finished, but all the other nails I'm going to be top coating now. For my top coat, I am using my Beetles gel top coat, the one that I always use, and this is the final result, you guys. I did end up adding some gems to the bottom of the middle finger and the middle and the thumb, and I totally forgot to insert that, but this is what they ended up looking like. They're so gorgeous. I honestly love them so much, and here I'm going to insert the picture of her wearing them. They turned out so gorgeous, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!